Hello guys, Namaskar, I'm Ronit and welcome back to my channel The Morgan Connection. Today I'm going to react to one of my subscribers' request and his name was Somo Z. He wanted me to react to the song Loser by Big Bang, and so far whatever I've heard from Big Bang, it's just banking. All the songs they have released so far, and this one you told me specifically that it's very intense and powerful song, and I had to react to it, so I'm going to do it for you guys. So here is my reaction to Big Bang Loser music video, and this is actually the English subbed version, which is not from the official music video. So I found it because the official one, it didn't have subtitles, it had only Korean subtitles, which will not work in my favor because I want to know what they're saying, because these songs needs to be understood. So I found a music video where they have the English subtitles and I'm reacting to that. So here's my reaction to Big Bang Loser music video with English subs in 3, 2, 1 and go.
Loser, 외톨이, 센 척하는 겁쟁이, 못된 양아치, 거울 속에 넌 just a loser.
Started off with
외톨이, 상처뿐인 머저리, 더러운 쓰레기, 거울 속에 넌
솔직히 세상과는 어울린 적 없어 홀로였던 내게 사랑 따위 벌써 잊혀진 지 오래전 시간 속에 더 이상은 못 듣겠어 해망전 사랑 노래 넌 하나나 그저 길들여진 대로 가구 속에 놀아나는 슬픈 비애로 난 멀리 와버렸어 I'm coming home 이제 다시 돌아갈래 어릴 적 제자리도
Don't We All.
하늘보다 땅을 더 바라보게 돼 숨쉬기조차 힘겨워 손을 뻗지만 그 누구도 날 잡아주질 않네 I'm a
loser, 외톨이, 센 척하는 겁쟁이, 못된 양아치, 거울 속에 넌 just a loser, 외톨이, 상처뿐인 머저리, 더러운 쓰레기, 거울 속에 넌
반복되는 여자들과의 내 실수 하룻밤을 사랑하고 해뜨면 실증 책임지지 못할 나의 이기적인 기쁨 하나 때문에 모든 것이 망가져버린 지금 멈출 줄 모르던 나의 위험한 지주 이젠 아무런 감흥도 재미도 없는 기분 나 벼랑 끝에 혼자 있네 I'm going home 나 다시 돌아갈래 예전의 제자리로
언제부턴가 난 사람들의 시선을 두려워만 해
Wow.
우는 것조차 지겨워 웃어보지만 그 아무도 날 알아주질 않네 I'm a
loser, 외톨이,
This is powerful.
척하는 겁쟁이, 못된 양아치, 거울 속에 넌 just a loser, 외톨이, 상처뿐인 머저리, 더러운 쓰레기, 거울 속에 넌
파란 저 하늘을 원망하지 난
Ah,
가끔 내려놓고 싶어져 I wanna say goodbye 이 길의 끝에 방황이 끝나면 우리 후회 없는 채로 드는 감을 수 있길
loser, 외톨이, 센 척하는 겁쟁이, 못된 양아치, 거울 속에 넌 just a loser, 외톨이, 상처뿐인 머저리, 더러운 쓰레기, 거울 속에
goosebumps.
I'm a
I'm a loser I'm a loser hey I'm a loser
That was really powerful. What a concept, what a music video, and what lyrics. It chills me to the bone. to think about people who are going through stuff like this. Like each and every one of us went through something, if not like this, but something like this in our lives, right? There are phases in our lives where we feel that we cannot get out of that negative phase. Negative phases are a part of anyone's life, and sometimes we come out of it, sometimes we feel like giving up, and we feel like losers. All of us feel like losers at least once in our lives. No one's life is hunky-dory all through and through, right? So there are ups and downs, and the downs can be very, very hard to go through. So what do we do when we give up on love? We don't trust anyone because either you're heartbroken, either you have lost something in your life, someone precious in your life. It can be a lover, it can be your parents, it can be anyone close to you who means a lot to you, or you're going through a tough phase because there can be different scenarios. Like if you're working day and night and you're not getting the best possible result because of it, not getting the worth of it, you feel down, you feel depressed. If there are people who bully you for who you are, just being yourself, you feel like a loser, you feel like you don't belong in that world. There can be several instances which makes you feel like a loser. It can be anyone and everyone. Even the most good looking people face that. Like we often think that celebs and big stars, so-called big stars, they don't have problems in their lives, but they do. The fact that they are big stars in itself is a huge responsibility that they have to bear each and every day. They cannot look uncool, and in order to do that, they have to go through this severe depression and mental problems which they never show to their fans. So it's a beautiful music video, a very tough issue that is being addressed here. I love that. The lyrics are really powerful. I love the music video. The acting of the K-pop stars, hats off to them, because they did a fantastic job in capturing the emotions of different people facing different issues, but thinking about the same thing, that they are losers and they don't have any other aim in their lives, how to come out of that. I loved it. I just loved it. Very real, very raw, and very powerful. Thank you very much for this suggestion. I loved it. I love the voices, especially in between there was a belt, and it was amazing. The pitch, the rapping, everything was just perfect. Loved it. Thank you very much for the suggestion. I would be looking forward to more Big Bang numbers now. This is one of my favorite songs by Big Bang. I know they are famous for their bangers, but they can also sing songs like this, and that's really appreciative. I really appreciate that. I would love to hear more songs. Please comment down below your thoughts and suggestions for more such amazing, beautiful, powerful, story-driven music videos. I will be happy to check them out for you guys. If you guys enjoyed my reaction, then please put a thumbs up and all your thoughts and suggestions. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it yet. Help me reach the 50k subscriber mark. I'll be seeing you guys again. Till then, keep liking, subscribing, and sharing. The love. Ciao.